Guys, I'm gonna keep this real brief. This is a 1-minute Instagram hack to get tons of clients. It works 100%. We've probably had 1,000 students test this out. It's awesome. Let's get into it. So I am heading outside to show you guys the one thing that I do on Instagram. Super easy. I think it takes about 1 minute and it's super awesome. It allows you to be proactive with your Instagram hashtags. And most people don't use it this way, but it puts you in the driver's seat and it's awesome. So I'm gonna show you, I think it's gonna take about 1 minute. We're gonna film it and yeah, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start in 3, 2, 1. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull up Instagram, you're gonna sort by tags, and then I like to choose a tag based on my ideal client. So I work with a lot of brand designers. I also work with coaches, service providers, product designers, but for now, we're just gonna choose brand designer. Super important to sort by recent because typically people who have figured out a way to get to the top of Instagram don't necessarily need my help, so I'm gonna sort by recent. And then I just scroll down until something, I usually like to look for faces and until the face catches my eye. Until something catches my eye. That one's super cute. So I'm gonna heart it. And then I'm gonna go to some of her other posts, super cute. Oh, her designs are gorgeous. Then what I do is I go and I love to react to their stories. Ooh, I love that. That's really cool. So I really try to actually get to know this person. I think it's awesome. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to message. I'm going to say, Kayla, super important to find the name. Just stumbled across your feed with the hashtag brand designer. Then I'm going to say, not going to lie, stalked you a little. So I'm just being playful, being a little funny. So good to meet you. How are things going? Looks like you're up to some awesome stuff. So that probably took around a minute, probably took a little bit longer because I was explaining what I was doing. But what I will do is I probably want to get 3 clients a month. Let's just say I want to get 3 clients a month. I will do that to about 10 people a day. So if I do that, it takes 10 minutes a day, literally 10 minutes a day. And if you do that, you can pretty much guarantee you're going to get 3 clients a month. Super awesome. It's a way for us to connect. Remember that building business is about 2 things. 1, providing value and building relationships. So I'm genuinely going to get to know Kayla. I'm sure she's going to reply. We're going to have a little bit of back and forth conversation. I'll ask her what she does. She'll ask me what I do. We're going to get to know each other. I think so often when we're at the beginning stages of our business, we're hesitant to put the time in to build those relationships. But one of my really good friends, Brian Mark, he made an awesome analogy about getting deposits, right? So you wouldn't go to a bank and tell the teller, I want to withdraw money if you don't have money in the account. That's robbery. And yet so often we want to withdraw clients and withdraw money from our social media accounts without making the deposits. The deposits are those conversations. The deposits are those relationships. So if you put the deposits in, if you put that time in, you'll be able to make the withdrawals with clients. Now, this is just the tip of a very large iceberg when it comes to getting clients. And if you feel like you could use a little hand-holding when it comes to getting clients, I have a really cool next step for you. Just go to mariawendt.com/workshop. And if you go to that page, you're gonna see an area to save your seat for a free coaching session that I'm doing soon. And in this free coaching session, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna walk you through my game plan to get more clients. I literally show you the 5 core pillars, 5 core things you need to have in place if you're gonna attract clients on a consistent basis. It's totally free. It's my gift to you. Go to mariawendt.com/workshop to save your seat. I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and you're gonna implement this hack, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. We make 3 videos every single week showing you how to make more money, grow your social media following, and run a successful online business. I'll see you in the next video.